Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Good. Good morning,
Today
ma'am.
we are having assessment, language assessment today, right?
No. Yeah.
No, we have it. It's not a no. It's yes, yes. Are you prepared?
Yeah.
Barira, Abhi, please turn on your camera. Barira, Abhi, come on. Barira. Okay. Do you have your paper with you? Show me your paper. Get everything that you need. You need a paper, you need pen or pencil, you need water.
Ma'am, is it fun if I can write in my Hindi notebook?
No, you write in A4 sheet, right?
Can I do in color? Hello. We don't have white A4 sheet.
Barira, turn on your camera, please.
Uh, can I do color because I don't have white A4 sheet?
You have to ask your language teacher.
Okay.
Keep everything. Those who have to go to washroom, go now. In between the assessment, you cannot go. Get all the things ready. Amila is having some network issue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Fateh. Are you prepared? Yes. Please keep everything ready. You should have a paper with you, pen and pencil,
Yeah.
water bottle.
I got everything.
Why not? Keep these many things ready. Do you have any doubts? I cannot help in Arabic, I can help in Hindi. I'm bad at Arabic.
You are?
I don't know Arabic, so I cannot say I'm bad at it. I don't know it. That's
So,
why
Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi, I know pretty well. Barira, please turn on and in assessment, please don't turn off your camera. Your assessment will be recorded. Make sure you don't have any other devices or any people near you. Yes, Dylan?
Huh? Yeah,
For 5
okay.
minutes, you can revise for your
Ma'am, I'm
assessment.
the only one here, so how can I have any people helping me?
Where are the others?
Every My dad is sleeping, my mom and just small.
Your dad is there, right?
Yeah, but he's sleeping.
Your 5 minutes, you can go through your content, you can go through your lesson note. Go through it, go through it.
Ma'am, is it team 9?
It's theme 10 million. You didn't prepare
Oh,
for
sorry.
my home million?
Oh, sorry, ma'am, because the first, I thought the first one was my bad. Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, you said you're going today?
What?
You said you're going to school today?
No, not today. I said 18, not 17.
18 is tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. From tomorrow.
Are you writing the assessment?
Yeah, I'm writing the assessment now.
Do you have everything ready?
You forgot tomorrow Saturday, right?
Tomorrow is not Saturday, dear.
What's this? Oh, today. Oh, today is Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah, we have the worksheet.
Ma'am, where should we go? Like to get the paper?
No, you have to go to your language class.
Oh, I don't have my language class.
Which subject are you studying?
Hindi.
You have to go
Who?
to your Hindi class.
Ma'am, I don't have English Hindi class.
Why not?
It's like a gone. I'm joining from the Hindi ma'am sent the link from WhatsApp, so I'm joining from WhatsApp actually.
Okay, do one thing for there. Who is there in Hindi classes?
Lazel, Amila,
Can you join
and
and share
Millet.
the link here in WhatsApp? Sorry, here in chat box so Sidra can join.
I'll send.
Yeah. Someone please join the Hindi class and share the link here in chat box so that Sidra can
Okay,
join.
ma'am, 1 second. I'll share. Good morning, ma'am.
Hi Amila.
Hi, ma'am.
How's it going?
Ma'am, can you wait? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
copy.
Sidra, you can join here. Others can go to your language classes. Yes, Amila.
Ma'am, like because I was learning Hindi, I didn't check the time. I send.
Acha. Go and join your classes. All the best. Do well. I'll be praying for you. Okay? Please take
Bye.
the time and
Bye, ma'am.
watch. Just because you get bored,
You
don't
can
stop.
go, don't stop. What?
You can join your class.
Join your class. Now you can go to class. Why are you going? I'm not going some. Yeah. You can go to your second.
Guys, go for the assessment. Go to your second language classes.
I'm trying to, but it's not allowing. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Wait, ma'am, 1 second.
Sadra, we have the link here, right? Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah, join. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.